Hey guys, it's Pauline. So, I picked up something from Five Below.
I think I knew that you can order online from Five Below. On the peanut drop, I had Franklin in my cart. The keychain. I had him in my cart, and I had been waiting all night. I work at night, so I was able to, as soon as they loaded it, I kept going back, checking on it. And as soon as they loaded it, I'm talking about within minutes, it sold out. So I had it in my cart, and I was like, okay, hopefully they're going to put Linus. So I scrolled down, tried to see if they put Linus. They didn't. And I'm talking, it wasn't even 3 minutes. It came out of my, it flashed from in my bag to sold out. That was so heartbroken. So I went online like the next night trying to find something else that looks that's got not Coach with either Linus or Franklin. I did find a couple of things with Franklin. I think this might not be it. This might be Snoopy. But anyway, I thought I would share with you guys what I picked up. Okay, so they said. Oh, okay, I did pick that up. So they said that my store didn't have it. We only have one Five Below in my actual city. There's another one like 20 minutes away. But I didn't even search that. I'm not going looking for that. But so you can ship the store. It's not free shipping. I don't know if you get so much, then they'll do free shipping. But it wasn't terrible. It was something like $5 or $7, something like that. I don't like paying for shipping, but there it is. All right. So this is what I picked up. So I picked this up too. This Wish hand sanitizer. It's smaller, looks like, than the Touchland. I have the Touchland that's got Hello Kitty. And I was wondering if I can refill it with this, but I don't know. It looks like it's smaller. And so I saw these and I picked them up. I do have a Coach Peanuts purse coming. Well, actually two. And I am already thinking about maybe I might send one of them back. And I hate doing that, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if that other one is going to be big enough. I got the mini city tote. I just could not pay $230 for the regular city tote, even though it's got peanuts on it, even though it was cute. I just couldn't do it. But then I paid right at $300 for the cargo tote, but it's got embroidery, and it's got all the characters on it, and I thought it was really cute. But anyway, I picked this up. I want to say this was between $5 and $7. I think this, I'm not sure if I put this on the mini city tote, probably. And then I had found some other little keychains, bag charms to go on the cargo tote. Now, I bought from Coach the Snoopy, and I'm thinking about, I really wanted that. That was the first thing I bought, that cargo tote and that Snoopy, and I checked out. Because I thought that it might sell out. It didn't. I think it's still on there. But I was so interested in getting that, and so now I'm thinking, was it silly of me to pay $100 for that? But anyway, we will see when it gets here if it grows on me. Because I ended up getting other charms. Alright, and I just saw this was on sale. I thought she was cute. I actually like the other little Blue, I think her name is. Or what's her name? The one that's like depressed and sad. I like her too. So, but I didn't see her. So I got Joy. And then this, I thought this was really cute. Hello Kitty. I thought this was Snoopy. Anyway, this Hello Kitty is cute. And I have some orange purses that this might be cute on. And then, I just like this. I do have a black Disney purse that this might be cute to hang off. And I have some Wizard of Oz, little SLGs that this might be cute with on that purse. Hold on a second. So I wasn't thinking of this when I bought it, but now that I'm thinking about it, so I bought these two pieces separately in separate purchases from like eBay. But I think that might be cute to like hang on the side. We get the witch and the witch's hands and that. And I did not go get the purse that went with this, but I do have, I think it's a Sabrina that's black. And that might be cute on it. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you guys. Oh, and so let me go ahead and show you the TJ Maxx. Oh, I picked up, no, Marshall's, because it has a Snoopy in it. I walked up on this, and I thought it was really cute. And I couldn't believe that I got it for the price that I did. So, let's see. So, look at that. $22. It was marked down. Now, I don't think I'm interested in the little backpack. I really just wanted this. And this is like metal. This is really cute. That I would probably hang off that city tote if I keep it. And then you got this little wallet here. And I'm not sure what I do with the backpack. I'm not a backpack person. And then this is small. So that might go to Goodwill. But anyway, that is what I had to share. I'll do the rest of the Marshall haul in another one, so this won't be so long. All right, guys. You can tell me what you think. I think this stuff is cute. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey, guys. One more thing. I just realized that the box is cute. So I would probably keep the box to put all my peanuts stuff in. Maybe even one of the purses may fit in here with the accessories. Isn't that interesting? Yeah. So, I think this was like a phenomenal deal. But anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.